Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, I decided to marinate some tofu with some red curry paste and liquid aminos. It is the extra firm, and we're going to have it with some kale. Root man overboard. And I'm going to add this to the pan with the rest while it cooks. Smells delightful. And here's our tofu. Tofu really doesn't have a taste until you season it. And so it basically takes on the flavor of whatever you season it with. So whatever you're in the mood for, you can use those seasonings. You can use the seasonings that you would normally use to say fried chicken, and it'll taste like fried chicken. Why? Because chicken doesn't taste like anything until you season it. So it's kind of the same principle. And here's the end result. I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.